Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to see every comment you made on Instagram. If you've ever wanted to go back and check the comments you've posted on Instagram posts or Reels, this video will guide you step by step. It's a simple process, and I'll show you exactly where to find all your comments. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, look at the top right corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on that icon to open the menu. In the menu, you will see several options. Tap on the one labeled Your Activity. This will take you to a section where you can manage and review all the interactions you've had on Instagram. Once you are in the Your Activity section, look for an option called Interactions and tap on it. In the Interactions menu, you will see options like comments, likes, and story replies. Tap on Comments. Now you will see a list of all the comments you have made on Instagram posts and Reels. These are displayed in chronological order, starting with the most recent comments at the top. You can scroll through this list to find the comments you're looking for. If you want to view the post or Reel where you left a specific comment, just tap on the comment. Instagram will take you directly to that post or Reel, and you'll be able to see your comment in the context of the post. If you want to delete any of your comments, Instagram makes that easy too. At the top right corner of the comments page, you'll see a select option. Tap on it, and then you can select the comments you want to delete. Once selected, tap on Delete at the bottom of the screen, and those comments will be removed. This process is useful for reviewing your interactions or cleaning up old comments you no longer want to keep. It's straightforward and helps you manage your Instagram activity more effectively. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.